Nothing a little thinner can't fix. 22 years of my life, I thought cats were asexual when they were all girls. That's why they call them pussycats, right? Anyway, I don't even know whose cat that is. But oh my god. No! Oh yeah, that is coming out a lot easier. Oh, just kidding. Good morning, YouTube! Some tragic news. If you guys didn't see the last video, what happened is I had everything finalized. Everything was fucking ready to go. I just was in a rush to get somewhere, so I very foolishly forgot to put some bolts on there that I needed to. Long story short, header panel broke. But the good thing is your boy's such a G, he was able to fix it. You can't even see where the damage is. I wish I would have taken a picture of how it looked before because it was horrible. I'm gonna show you the back part to see exactly like how much fiberglass I had to use. Yeah, I had to put all that back there just to make sure to reinforce it because I don't want it breaking again. And then to mold everything with the Bondo and the fiberglass, shit man, I haven't slept in 2 days. But it's Wednesday. I really want to get this thing done today, paint it so it can cure for 2 days, and I can take it to that Donut Media event and show something to be proud of. That's what it's all about. Speaking of something to be proud of, look at this bad boy. I cannot wait to see this thing back on the streets. We have that we're working on. We also have this bad boy. This one's already running though. We just need some paint work, some time, love, and care, some TLC. And then we got the quads over here. Like, dude, we have so much shit that we can work on. So much stuff. And it's gonna be a fucking great time being able to do all this shit. But for right now, I'm gonna just take you through my very hectic day because I have to go dry places and do all this other bullshit, but it's fucking hot. I find how to be more exciting. Don't you think? I should be a little bit more exciting or a little bit more up-tempo or something. But we're gonna get this thing done, so see you guys later. Oh yes, look at this fitment. Look at this, finally got it fixed. You can't even tell. Oh man. Oh man, you're gonna get painted. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's gonna get painted, alright. She's gonna get painted. Alright everyone, so we're back once again and we're finally done with the bodywork, guys. Yay. I don't know whether to be excited or to just be fucking relieved because this shit was a fucking pain in the ass. Oh my god, the gods were listening and the fucking fitments are fucking there, bro. They're fucking there. Like it's inevitable. So what I'm gonna do now, it's a very historic moment for me because I've been wanting to paint this car for. I'm going to do is because I do want to get good paint coverage inside the like engine bay itself, where it bolts on the two side fenders and the header panel. So I want them to get covered with as much paint as I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to paint the bumper and the hood separate. So I'm going to take them off. Thank God I have these quick release on there. I'm just going to take off the quick release on both sides and paint them like that. So I'm going to take these both off. I'm going to apply some Bulldog on the bumper because it is plastic and I want to make sure that it adheres to the paint. And yeah, at that point it should be pretty straightforward, but I feel like once I get the hood out and then once I get the bumper up, I can do like an even more in-depth inspection because I spent all last night, literally all last night, trying to get this perfect. So I finished this header panel yesterday and that took way too long. That took like 2 days because of what happened in my previous vlog. For right now, it's gonna take me a lot more time to tape everything the fuck up. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take off the parts that I need to, put them aside. I'll worry about the bodywork later as far as like what I need to do with the spot putty or whatever I need to fill, you know, whatever I need to do. So I'm gonna do that after the fact because, like I said, taping up this car, because I have to tape up the windshield, my rims. I also need to, the fuck? I do need to cover all of this stuff, the rocker panel on the bottom right here, and basically the rest of the car, because we are gonna be applying a good amount of paint today. So I do not want to get overspray at all on this. So I'm gonna basically fill almost the entire car with plastic and just painter's tape and make sure that I don't get any overspray. Without further ado, let's get this thing painted so you guys can actually believe me when I say this car is actually fucking nice. Because right now you guys think it's just a 31-year-old fucking 1.5 liter gas fucking saver. This is a fucking masterpiece in the works, all right? And I'm so excited because right now it's Wednesday, and that means it's 2 days away from that event that I wanted to take it to. So I think we're gonna get it done, guys. That's gonna be 2 days for the paint to cure. I'm just excited. Let's go get it. Stressful fucking day, bro. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm so done with today already. It's late as fuck. Spent probably 5 hours just prepping everything, like taping everything up. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Like, I had to tape all the stuff that's supposed to be black. Like in here, I just put some Bulldog to promote some adhesion, to promote the adhesion. But besides that fact, good thing, because we're about to mix our hardener with our paint right here. Yeah, we're gonna start spraying. I already cleaned my shit. I have to check everything, see everything goes, but I'm gonna go put some more Bulldog on this, and then I'll move over to the actual car because I just have this on the hood over there. So I just went ahead and painted it. And I'm gonna be totally honest, at first I was shitting bricks because it was just orange peel. Just orange peel and this gun. It took me a while to get used to it, like grip wise and like the valve wise and stuff, and adjusting, you know, how much paint comes out versus how much air comes out versus your spray angle. So a lot of things to consider here when you're using a gun. Spray can, it's easier. Just to like look how fucking good it's coming out. You can basically see my reflection. And yeah, it's still a little orange peely, but I think I fucking care. I did this all by myself. I'm fucking proud. So let's get this thing finished and wait like 2 days so it can cure, and then we get to polish this thing and we're done. Like that? Hi, Grandpa. Go,
the next day.
We're back. We waited about 2 days. Just kidding. We waited like 24 hours. But dude, look at this shit. Oh my god. It's like fucking Christmas for me. Like, I'm unwrapping this fucking God-given present that's right here before me. All this hard work, all this time, all this effort finally paying off right now. Still not done. Granted, it's Thursday night. Donut media is tomorrow night. So that means I have a whole 24 hours to get this thing wet sanded with 3200 grit, polished, get this thing looking sweet. I already checked like to see if the color matched, and it already does. Like, if you look at this part, let me get off the light. And this part, they're exactly the same. Don't look at this part. Look at this part and this part. Remember when I told you guys it's all in the prep? Yeah, you can say I kind of missed some spots. Oh man. You guys are lying if you say that this thing does not look pretty good. And like I said, this could all be done if you have a compressor, primarily a 15-gallon or more, a HVHP, high volume, high pressure spray gun, and then I spent $50, or my dad spent $56 on paint, and that came with the filter, came with the mixing stick, came with the mixing container, it came with the hardener, it came with the acrylic paint and everything. $60. I mean, that's not including the sandpaper that I had to buy. But seriously, like, if you have the time, if you have the willpower, like, this thing can be done for you. So any car that you want, and it doesn't even have to be an entire car, it could just be a panel, and this way you can feel confident doing it next time you ever want to do anything similar to this. But yeah, let's finish doing this car. thing I'm hoping didn't happen is that I got paint on this headlight. Nothing a little thinner can't fix, but oh my god, look at just one with the headlight. Oh dude. Yo, that looks so fucking good. Oh my god, dude. I haven't even seen the bumper yet, and the bumper's gonna be the fucking best part because I taped off the black. So as soon as I pull it out, this isn't Young Static's YouTube channel. Look at this girl. She's a dog. Anyway, I don't even know whose cat that is. But oh my god. No! No! Did you guys see that? Did she just fuck up the paint job? No, you gotta get out of here now. You both of you get out of here. Oh my god. I cannot believe that just happened. This is why I don't like fucking cats. Yo, if anybody wants these cats, hit me up on the DM. They're hella friendly. Apparently they're here all the time. They're kittens. They're just jumping everywhere. They're like dogs, and like they're brothers or sisters. They're just, I don't know how cats work. Like for the longest, I think for 22 years of my life, I thought cats were asexual and they were all girls. That's why they call them pussycats, right? Look at this. Chub alert. I'm holding this thing with tweezers. That's how big this shit's giving me a chub. And I still have to detail this whole engine bay for tomorrow. It's gonna look good. Oh my god, you guys, oh man. I don't know why I keep scratching. I think like I don't know, being in South Central LA, kind of like the crack epidemic, kind of like it's in the air. I don't fucking know. Maybe it's this fire. Stay safe, everyone. Jesus Christ, that fucking fire car, it's fucking a lot of people up. And then that whole prison thing, people, inmates are getting paid $1, I think an hour or a day to fight these fires. I mean, I get they're criminals, and to all you Trump supporters out there that say, oh, they're rapists or murderers or all these people, they deserve it and shit, they should die and burn and stuff.
Shut the fuck up.
But yeah, they're getting paid $1 a day. Like, I think it's great, and I think instead of them being compensated that way, they should be compensated for earlier parole. That's just my opinion. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm gonna put a link to the story in the description down below. But guys, like, come on, these are like some of these people, majority of these people are trying to like, oh man, what the fuck? I'm not crying, guys, just another bug. Yeah, if you haven't seen that video where I ate a bug, it's right here. Oh my god. I don't know, I think I just fucking ate a bug. Yeah, these people should be compensated differently, and not everyone in there's trying to just like kill people and rape people and do all this fucking bullshit. They're actually trying to change their lives. Same way with homeless people. They're trying to get out of this rut. You try being depressed and then fucking starting a company. Same scenario. For them, getting their life back on track is like starting a company, or not even this, a huge endeavor. How about you get out of your comfort zone and do something different? But I'm all in redemption. I don't know, it just really touched me when I saw this on Facebook. But like I said, leave a comment down below what you think. But let's get back to this because oh my god, it looks so goddamn good. Alright guys, so I was gonna show you me taking apart all the stuff from the bumper, but there's only light in this part of the shop. Over there, you know, this is like 12 o'clock at night, by the way. So I could move it over here, but I just don't want to like move it and then risk me scratching it or doing some shit like that. Actually, fuck it, I think I'm gonna do it. So it's right here. I am a little pissed because my dad worked all fucking day today and didn't move it from where I left it, and there's a bunch of dust all over it. Thank God it dried before any of that shit happened, but we're gonna take this stuff apart and we're gonna see exactly how it's supposed to look from the beginning. Let's go. Thought this was hilarious because after I painted this, I realized I fucked up somewhere. This is fucking hilarious. So that's this here. So I taped it all up, right? But guess where I taped it all the way up to? The back. So now we have this part that's not even fucking painted. I'm probably just gonna have to get some touch-up paint or something and like brush it on with the brush, but I thought that's funny. But I did realize something else too. This tape kind of like became one with it, so I'm gonna get a razor and cut like all along here because like the paint did like cake up and stuff. So I was pulling one side open and it kind of like peeled more than it should have, and I just don't want it to just like literally take out an entire thing of paint. Oh yeah, that is coming out a lot easier. Oh, just kidding. So I am extremely happy with how the hell this thing came out. I literally feel like a kid right now. I feel like I just keep unwrapping presents and...
The avocado! Man.
If I were to have to do this all over again, I probably wouldn't. I wouldn't cover this up. This was just a fucking bitch. It came out nice, but like I said, if I would have just painted over it, I could have just painted this black. I'm gonna paint this black anyway, so I don't know why I covered it, but I guess just the texture, I have no fucking idea. Dude, this thing came out so good. So we're gonna go ahead and move this and the hood over to the front and then attach it and then see how everything fits and then just fucking unleash, because I know this shit's gonna look sexy as fuck. Let's go. Oh shit, guys. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. The amount of excitement that this thing is bringing me right now is literally addicting. Like, I feel like a crackhead right now. I already know this is a good thing and a bad thing, because once I see how it all looks, I know I'm not gonna stop. And that's why I want you guys to fucking go get your shit, because go do it. Simple as that. Because look, oh, this thing's gonna pay off. It's gonna pay off, and I'm let's put this bumper back on. God damn it. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up today's vlog because I'm tired. To be totally honest, I'm fucking exhausted. I'm sweating and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Just look at this. Just look at it. I know it's dark right now, but in the morning, it's, yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be the main video, but right now it's kind of like behind the scenes type deal right now, because just look at it. Like, it's just, this is the admiring stage. I'm just admiring this thing. Yeah, like I said, tomorrow what's gonna happen is we're gonna wet sand the entire car because so it can all become one color, because this one is just brighter than the other side. It's not a different color, it's just brighter. And just there's a little bit of orange peel on it, obviously. I mean, unless you've been painting for 30 plus years, you're not gonna get orange peel. And even my dad, someone that's been painting for close to 30 years, still sometimes gets drip or orange peel on a lot of the kitchen cabinets and stuff that he does. So I don't care, it's fixable, thank God. But I'll have it on the car, it's nice. And now it's time to go to sleep. I will see you again tomorrow or whenever this next video is uploaded. But thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up with my boring videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Like I said, if you really want to do something, just pick it up and start doing it. And with that, like always, stay boosted.